Happy Saturday. This is Sherry with Style Tips with Sherry. Today we're going to talk about the jewelry trends that I want you to look for in your closet, because that's what we do around here. We inventory our closets first and then see what it is that we need to get. So let's go. 5 trends that you are going to want to have in your wardrobe this season, because it's going to elevate everything that you have. Even if you bought no new clothes, but you had just a few pieces of trendy accessories, they are going to elevate your style and make you look more modern. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 are chandelier earrings. I am actually wearing a version of chandelier earrings. We're going to show you some pictures on the screen, but chandelier earrings are a little bit longer. Now, you can get them that they're not so bold. You can get daintier ones if you prefer, but chandelier earrings, a drop down, is a much more updated style, more than kind of a chunkier earring. All right, so something that's a little more feminine, a little more maybe even have a little bit of drama to them. But these are super lightweight. They're not heavy at all, but just look for something that is something that you really enjoy wearing. Maybe it's like these have a little bit of Aztec to them. You can get yours with rhinestones, real diamonds if you want to do that, but just something that hangs a little lower than chunkier earrings. Okay, number 2, pearls. Pearls are everywhere. And for you classic modern gals who really love a good pearl, then girlfriend, this is your time. I brought a few in from my closet, and I have this strand is probably, probably 4 feet long. I mean, it's long. And I double it up. Sometimes I wrap it this way and put a clasp. Did you guys know you can do that? You can get little clasps, kind of hook it behind so you've got a choker style. But I love this pair of pearls. They are a little on the heavy side, but I like the feel of heavier jewelry. I know some people like really lightweight. I don't. Now, I don't want heavy earrings, but for necklaces, I like something that has a little substance to them. Also, I have these that look more like a freshwater pearl kind of pearl necklace. They aren't exactly super round. They've got a little more of an uneven detail to them. They've got a little gold beads in between every maybe 5 or so, but I really love that. Did you know another way you can wear pearls also if it's smaller and you have one of those clasps? I need to go find one of those clasps for you. Okay, I went and grabbed one of these for you. So you can get these in different places. If you know where to get them, put them down. I'm sure they're everywhere. But you could take something like this and hook 2 strands around, and then really wrap it around if you wanted to wrap it around as a bracelet, and then you just hook it at the other end. I mean, you have to do a little twisting, but these little guys are super handy to turn a long necklace into a short necklace, to turn a shorter necklace into a bracelet, but highly recommend them. You can even hook different necklaces together. So anyway, I digress. Back to the second trend, which is pearls. All right, let's move on to the third trend. And the third trend is chain link everything. Chain link. All right, so I have one chain link jewelry piece, necklace right here. So this is the chain link. So this is done in the gold. This is done in the tortoise, just like this. It's a double strand. I don't know, I couldn't undo it and do it as a long one. But anyway, chain link everything, even chain link belts, chain link bracelets, small chain links, big chain links. One of the season mottos that we heard on in the fashion research that I was doing said that it's kind of for jewelry, go big or go home. And I know for some of you who aren't used to wearing a bigger scale jewelry piece, then don't do that. Make sure that you stay to scale. I don't want you going outside of your comfort zone. Obviously, if you like it and you're smaller, then do it. But you're going to see a comeback of the bigger jewelry. You know, the last couple of years, we have seen a trend on the daintier jewelry, the daintier pieces. That's not in season. The trend is sort of going away from that. I think what happened is, you know, some of these maybe younger bloggers got, you know, I mean, it's nice, but they're kind of, some of them are more authentic jewelry pieces, they're real jewelry pieces. And so that kind of became the trend. Well, we're back to costume jewelry, bigger jewelry. And of course, if you can afford real big jewelry, I wouldn't do it, but if you can, go for it. But just know that this season, the bigger jewelry is back, and silver is making a comeback. It's been kind of the gold dainty for a few years, and now silver is making a comeback, and chrome. But again, if gold is your thing, like I'm not going to wear silver jewelry. So depending on your coloring, if silver isn't for you, then stick with gold. Some of you can wear both and look just as amazing in both. And so just know that when you're out, look for something that looks like a chain link, and whether it's a bracelet, whether it's a necklace, whether it's earrings, and you'll be right in style. Number 4, chunky chokers. All right, so I've got on a choker type necklace, but this isn't really the chunky choker I'm talking about. I'm talking about something that's a little closer to your neck. We'll show you some photos there that almost look like it's the just kind of, even you could even do it with a scarf, honestly, to create that choker-like effect. But just something that's up a little higher, and it doesn't have to be this way. Like, I don't mean that kind of choker, but just something that might be a little closer. Like if I moved this up and got it a little closer, that would stand in for a chunky choker. And so just for those of you who really gain more in your hips and thighs, and you might have narrower shoulders, this is a great trend for you. It's a great necklace because what it does is balances your upper body. And so, side note, make sure you stay away from V-necks if you're not going to wear a necklace, if you have narrow shoulders, because it will make your shoulders look even narrower and can make your hips look wider. And so we're looking for balance when we're dressing. And so chunky chokers have their place, and just look for them. And I think this one even has the chain link through it, but it just has some pendants on it, some elephants. And anyway, chunky chokers is your 4th trend. And your 5th trend is called candy colored baubles. Anything that's bright, anything that's yummy looking like candy, and it's yellow, oranges, greens, purples. Of course, we're going to do lots of purple this season, but just those baubles that just really make an outfit look happy. And so maybe go easy on it though. I don't think I would do a whole jewelry wardrobe in it, but maybe some fun earrings, maybe one necklace, maybe a bracelet or something, or a fun ring. But candy colored bauble jewelry is what you're going to be seeing this season. All right, girls, I hope that was helpful. I hope that you will go inventory your closet first. That's what we do around here. Inventory your closet first. I don't want you going out shopping, spending a ton of money if you already have it. What's the point in that, right? And so make sure you do that. And next week we launch the Closet Outfit Planner. I know some of you got the subscription, but there are many of you who didn't. And so we launch on, well, it comes out on Friday. We may have a special reveal the night before. So I will be sending an email about that. Hey, if you're not on my email list, make sure you go to stylebycolor.com and get on the email list. All right, until next week, I will see you then. Bye.